The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Hi, this is Dallas, Fort Worth, partly cloudy 70. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The San Antonio Police Department is searching for Joanna Luna, Hispanic, female, 13 years old, 5 feet 5 inches, 110 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing dark gray t-shirt, black and pink Nike shorts, and pink and purple slides. Police are looking for Richard Xavier Rodriguez, 17 years old, Hispanic, male, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a Hall-bearing Arizona license plate number AE4438. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7660. News media point of contact is San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7579.
Our kids, and what are they doing?
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Y no me quieres